Hey people, welcome to my channel. This is the Thai class. So in this video, we're gonna repair a heavy duty truck tire from start to finish. I mean everything you need to know. We're not going to skip any process in this, so stick around and enjoy it. It's already jacked. I mean I didn't want to waste your time, so I jacked it before starting the video. Okay, so as you can see, I'm marking it. The marking is very necessary. It makes the job very easy when you're coming back. You know, it's not all about taking it out, but bringing it back to counts. So you have to make sure you put things in place so if you come, you wouldn't suffer. Now the puncture is in, you may be desperate to repair it, but after repair, what do? You have to put it back. So if you mark it, it makes the tread very easy and smooth to go because it was already in the same direction. You get it? Yes. Okay, so now we have our tie out. It has a puncture. Let's go and look for the puncture. Okay, the wicked one has been found. This is the puncture. Now let's take the tie off and look inside. You know, this is a shoulder puncture. Don't try to use a rubber gum patch, like quick patch. I mean the needle one. No, don't try. Don't do that. Vulcanizer, don't do it. Driver, don't be there and let them do it. No. Shoulder punches shouldn't be done that way. Shoulder puncher, especially for heavy duty trucks. No, don't try that at all. At all. It has to only be tackled inside. Even with the standard boss authorities, their regulations, it shouldn't even be repaired. But we, the citizens and civilians, I mean, economy and all that, it wouldn't allow you to do that thing. I mean, I get a puncture and I have to just go and buy a new tire. Where am I getting the money from? So yes, let's repair it, but tackle it inside, especially when it's on shoulder. These are the things you will need to take them out. Okay. Okay, so you lock the rim from that angle. Yes, you get it. Then you support it with the other one. Just push it. Just push it. Apply pressure on it and it will be out. So now let's look at the puncture inside. You see, it was even repaired already, but the person lacked small experience. So let's top it off and see. Okay, so let's make sure it is very clean always. Now there's a patch. It's tube. Trust me, it works like none. It's an OG strategy. Try it and thank me later. Okay, let's apply our glue. There's a 99 adhesive glue. I mean, it really sticks. It really sticks. So you apply them more. Five minutes later, you then put everything on top. I mean, you fix everything. The bump you see there is one of my strategies that I didn't want to share online. That was why I didn't include it in the video. Sorry. Okay, so let's fix it back. Okay. A boom, a tom, kukuro. Okay, so here it slipped, but then okay, yes, now we're good. Okay, let's try and inflate it. So you have to make sure the valve stem is always behind the tie's bead. It's very important because the air has to come into inside the tie, not outside. Okay. Now let's pack our machine. Okay, now inflation is done. Let's come and fix it back. I promised you that the video was gonna be full from start to finish, and now this is the icing on the cake. Let's fix it back. Kuku edim. Now, because we marked our wheel nuts, we're not going to struggle in putting them back. It's going to be always smooth as it was earlier on when I was omitting it. As you can see, it's going like a yibino, and it's say okay, so we're almost done. I mean, you just have to put them back and then you're done. Then I'll be reminding you, please, if you found this helpful, subscribe, like, and probably share so others also benefit. I mean, let's all grow together and manage our ties better. Yeah, so after you're done tightening everything, then you can release your jack. Okay, so yes, that is it. We're done with the video. Thank you.